doll fireplace and a rocking chair, a miniature chase lounge, and a little swimming pool? Learn the best ideas for winter and summer Barbie vacations in our new video. It's finally winter break and the friends are going on a vacation, but they didn't agree on where exactly they are going. Christy wants to go somewhere tropical, and Dolly is preparing for a ski resort. And how are they supposed to agree on what to pack and the destination now? Easy! The weatherman says that all flights are canceled because of a snowstorm. Stay at home, girls! But Christy knows what they should do because the girls collect Barbies and everything related to them. The girls want to have some refreshing drinks, smoothies, and hot cocoa. Well, let's make something yummy for our dolls too. Pour clear glue into 2 containers. Add yellow acrylic paint to one container and pink to the other. And pour it into a decorative bottle, layer by layer. Hot glue a thin plastic circle with a hole on top. Cut a toothpick and paint it red. Stick it in the bottle as a straw and bend it just a little. Christy made a bright miniature smoothie for her summer Barbie. Dolly is catching up. She made some cocoa to warm up her winter Barbie. Take a thimble and even out the bottom so that it can stand still. Wrap a thin strip of a white foam rubber sheet around it. Fill the thimble with brown acrylic paint. Roll light white clay. Cut it into little pieces. Put them into the cup to be marshmallows. Wow! There are even teeny marshmallows! Both dolls are happy with their drinks, and the girls enjoy theirs. If we have to stay at home, then we can arrange a vacation for at least our dolls. This is the final call for a flight to Barbie Land. But Christy got tired and fell asleep. That's a great idea! We will make a sleeping mask for our Barbie. Draw a sleeping mask on a white foam rubber sheet. Make a horn on a yellow foam rubber sheet, ears, and a mane on pink. Cut the pieces out. Fasten the pieces together and add details with a black pen. Hot glue a rubber band to the mask. Cut off the excess. Now Barbie can relax on a plane. Nothing will disturb her deep plastic sleep, unlike Christy. Christy wakes up and decides that her doll also deserves some comfort. She needs a travel pillow. Cut a squishy ring. Trim the ends to make them oval. Coat the squishy with rubber paint. Now both dolls can comfortably go on their vacation. They will definitely sleep tight. Dolly's Barbie is finally at her ski resort. Her owner's dream came true. The only thing missing is a fireplace. Take 2 identical sheets of styrofoam. Cut a rectangle in one of them so that it'll fit the size of a small photo frame. Glue the sheets together. Coat the piece with acrylic paint. Roll out light red clay. And randomly cut it into pieces. This is decorative tile. Paint the frame black. Cut the ends off a headband. Wrap a ruler in a black foam rubber sheet. Attach it to the side of the styrofoam block. Fasten the black frame. Attach the decorative light clay tile to the fireplace. Break wooden sticks and put them in as firewood. Place the grate made out of a headband and hang a garland with decorative little stockings, clothespins, and Christmas decorations. This fireplace will look great in the interior of any ski resort. Now it's warm and cozy. Christy wants her beloved doll to have a nice vacation. At least one of them will be on the beach. Barbie, get ready to swim and dive in a swimming pool. Cut out a rectangle in a notebook. Glue the pages. Paint the rectangle blue. Cut thin plastic straws. Fasten them to make a ladder. Hot glue the ladder to the swimming pool. Put in blue slime to be water. Christy decides to present her own invention. Be careful! Don't spill any water out of the swimming pool. Making a swimming pool in a notebook is a brilliant idea because you can take it along to any resort. It seems like the dolls are enjoying the way they're spending their vacations. The girls keep on upgrading their doll hotels. A comfy rocking chair appears in a winter house up in the mountains. Cut 2 headbands and take out the metallic frame. Fasten the pieces together with 2 pieces of coffee stirs. Make legs out of chopsticks. Cut a wooden ruler to fit the size. Hot glue a seat made from the ruler or 2 pieces of coffee stirs. Bend a thin hot glue stick to be the back frame of the chair and shape the back using coffee stirs. Fasten the seat to the legs of the rocking chair. Make the arches thicker with hot glue. Coat the chair with spray paint. Dolly's hotel concept is very intricate and well thought out. It's so nice to sit in a rocking chair near a fireplace, covered with a blanket and drinking hot cocoa. This ski resort for Barbie deserves 5 stars. And Christy can't imagine relaxing near a swimming pool without a comfy deck chair. Cut a thin styrofoam cylinder lengthwise. Hot glue thin plastic straws to make a base. Attach straws on top crosswise, very close to each other. Stick 2 straws into the styrofoam. This is the base for the back. Hot glue straws to make borders and attach sticks to the back. Fasten a styrofoam block as a leg rest. Cut a rectangular mat from soft fabric. Christy's Barbie is the queen of the beach. A personal deck chair is reserved just for her. All she has to do now is wait for a beach party. The dolls have very different vacations, but they are equally comfy. It's more than just a vacation, it's a doll's dream come true. Winter Barbie decides to go out and ski. Cut a tip off a balloon. Take 2 identical nail files. Put your doll on them and fasten her feet with the balloon bands. Barbie looks very confident on her skis. She must have been training at a nail salon. She will conquer every mountain with these skis. And while she is going down the hill, the wind did her hair in a very stylish way. Dissolve blue food coloring in water. Dye the ends of Barbie's hair with this solution. Cut wire into pieces. Twist strands of hair around the pieces of wire and blow dry the hair. Remove the wires. Dolly's Barbie is ready to win the icy hearts of skiers. Christy's doll is enjoying the sun at the seaside, and she hides under a big beach umbrella at noon. Cut a big plastic bottle. Cut off the neck. Hot glue a cap from the inside. Make a hole in the cap with the nozzle of a hot glue gun. Insert a wide tube. Fasten it with hot glue. Cut long triangles out of colored foam rubber sheets. Attach them to the umbrella. Decorate the edge of the umbrella with a satin ribbon. Cover the top with light clay. Opening an umbrella at a beach is a great idea. All skin needs UV protection. Even plastic skin. Both dolls love their vacation accessories. Our vacation games are continuing. Winter Barbie pulls a sleigh with her little daughter. Attach thin straws to 2 bobby pins crosswise. Cut off a piece of a wooden ruler to fit the size and hot glue it to the straws. Paint coffee stirs 2 colors. Cut them to fit the size of the sleigh and attach 2 layers of them to the seat. Take the metallic fastener of a binder clip and attach it to the sleigh and paint it black. Tie a rope. Dolls love sleighing too! We arranged an actual winter fairy tale for Barbie and her family. And what should we do for Christy? Someone else's Barbie is having fun while she doesn't have any new ideas. But Dolly is a perfect tour manager. She quickly comes up with a swimming mat. Cut a foam plastic insulation stick into 3 pieces. Hot glue them together. Coat the piece with primer. Cover each strip with acrylic paint. The doll's swimming mattress actually works! Tropical Barbie loves resting on her swimming mat. It doesn't matter what kind of resort these dolls choose. They will always have something fun to do thanks to our ideas. Did you like our ideas for summer and winter Barbie vacations? Then write in the comments which resort your dolls would like to go to. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new Barbie tips and tricks on Troom Troom.